Welcome back. So, in this video we're going to be talking about the next part of chart 1, 2 in the book. And in this one we're going to be talking about, in this video we're going to be talking about how do I make present progressive. Good news! It's much easier than simple present. So in simple present, you remember, I needed to, when I was making a negative statement, a statement with not, or a question, I needed to add an extra word. I needed to add some form of do or does. But with present progressive, I don't need to add an extra word. So it's much better, much easier. Let's take a look at this. So let's say I want to make a statement in present progressive. Let me see if I have a black marker here. Yeah, okay. So let's see here. Let's see here. I blank make a video. And I'll put maybe right now, just to be clear that I'm talking about right now, okay? I don't have to use right now. If I use present progressive, that tells an English speaker, I'm talking about right now. But let's put right now here just so that very clear between us, we know what we're talking about. Okay, so I'll ask you just to take a second and think, what should I put here? I blank make a video right now. And if you don't know, don't worry, because I am going to tell you. Okay, now, you remember that in the first video that we looked at, we said that for present progressive, I will use am, is, or are plus verb ing. So here I say, oh, I'm talking about I. So would I say I am, I is, or I are? I say I am, right? So I will say I am, and then I'll make verb ing. Oops, I am making a video. Okay? So for a statement, I'll use am, is, are plus verb ing. I am making a video. You are making a video. John is making a video. She is not, or she is making a video. Let's see here. And, well, John is driving to work. Milton is studying chemistry. So if I want to talk about right now, I'll use am, is, are plus verb ing. Let's talk about negative statements. Let me use I again. I blank make not, let's see here. What am I not doing? I am not eating dinner. So I say I blank not eat dinner. And again, I'll put right now, just so that we are very clear in our minds that it's right now. All right, so take a moment and see if you know this already. I blank eat not dinner right now. What should I write in this space? And if you don't know, don't worry, because I'm going to tell you. Okay. Now, and you can pause. Remember, you can always pause. Okay. So for negative statements in present progressive, it's really easy. I don't need to add an extra word. I don't need to add do or does. I just use am, is, are, or another short way to say that is be. Am, is, are, you probably know this already, different forms of the English verb be. And so I use be plus not plus verb ing. So I take a look at this and I say, okay, what should go in this blank? Well, I say, the subject is I, and the verb is be. What form of be do I use with I? Well, I use I am. So I'd say I am. Then I use the word not, and I say, I am not. And then I use verb ing. I am not eating dinner. Okay. Go. And again, if the subject is different, then this be will change. John is not eating dinner. We are not eating dinner. They are not eating dinner. And so on. But I, if it's I say I am. Okay. With questions, how do I make a question? So, let me see here. We made a question about Barack Obama in the last video, so let's do the same thing here. Barack Obama eat dinner, and again we'll add right now. Okay, so for a question in present progressive, again, much simpler than simple present. I don't have to add do or does, but what I will do is I take the be, I take this be, and I move it to the front. So the first word that I'll write is be. I'll write be plus subject plus verb ing. Okay? So, here, again I ask, oh, well, Barack Obama, what form of be will I use? Well, present forms of be are am, is, are. So what would I use with Barack Obama? Would I say Barack Obama am eating dinner, is eating dinner, or are eating dinner? I would say, well, take a minute and think. What would I say? Yeah, you're right. I'd say is. Barack Obama is. Then I write the subject. And here my subject, the person or thing who's doing this, is Barack Obama. And then I add verb ing. So I'd say eating dinner right now. Is Barack Obama eating dinner right now? Okay. Now, again, if this were a beginning class or an intermediate class, I'd explain this a lot more. But because it's more advanced class, I'm just going through this very quickly as review. I hope this is good. And again, like I said, if in the last video, if you would like to know a lot, if you'd like to go through this more slowly and have a lot more examples, Google my name, Kent Uchiyama, and verb tenses, and you'll find the free book that is posted online that you can download. Okay, now, what do I want to say about this? Oh yes, is Barack Obama eating dinner right now? This again is a yes-no question. Is Barack Obama eating dinner right now? Yes. Is Barack Obama eating dinner right now? No. So I can answer it yes or no. It's a yes-no question. If I want to ask a different kind of question, again, I can put an extra word. I can put another word here, a question word, and I can say like, where is Barack Obama eating dinner? Or why is Barack Obama eating dinner? Or who is he eating dinner with? Or with whom is he eating dinner? I can't say when, because present progressive shows right now. So an English speaker won't ask when is Barack Obama eating dinner if they're talking about right now. There's another use of, you know what, there is a time I could say that, but we're going to talk about that later. If I mean right now, is Barack Obama eating dinner, I can't say when, because present progressive means right now. All right. Okay. I think that's everything I wanted to tell you about this. Thanks for watching.